Right, left, up, down, left, right. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's go do one more run up. Yeah, it's pretty windy today. Here we go. Retracts up. So I need some down elevator. There you go. A bit left aileron. Yeah, so far.
Plenty of power.
Yep. Rain's coming, so we're gonna come on in. Let's go try flaps real quick. All right, flaps feel good. Okay, so deploying flaps, landing gear. We got to do a pass real quick. Make sure that the gear is completely down. Okay, gears down, coming around. Flaps deployed. and I can feel the rain. Oh shit. Now we see it starts to rain. God damn it, now it's raining. Ah! So I broke the prop, guys, and probably the landing gear.
Oh, yeah, bent a little bit, yeah.
Nothing
major.
Nothing major.
Yeah. All in all, a very successful.
Ah!
It's a fast plane too, right? It doesn't like to land slow.
Yeah, well, I was trying to trim it back down,
Yeah.
but god damn this rain. Well,
What can I do? Anything?
oh, it just popped that out. Oh,
Pull it out.
it just pulled out of the screw. Spinner's kind of dented, but that's all right.
All part of weathering.
All right. Well, guys, yeah, she flew.
Yeah.
It's all right. Landing gear is,
What size prop you running, Mike?
that's a 16,
16?
16 8.
17.
16 8. I got a 17 at the house, but I don't want to run a 17 just yet.
And it's gone.
God damn this rain. All right, guys. So here at the house, just looking at the wheel, the landing gear. So you can see the where the landing gear, the bolts, basically the screws ripped out. You got a little bit of crack in here, but nothing major. The inside of the wing is still sound. This landing gear, this gear here bent, so I just got to bend it straight. Nothing wrong with this side of the gear. This is not broke, cracked, or anything. So the landing gear pretty much held up. With the amount of reinforcement I had inside there with the gussets and the carbon fiber for that kind of a landing, you would expect all this to be ripped out. So it did pretty good. It's gonna fly again tomorrow. Alright, so as far as my retract, the rails are not broke at all, so that's a good thing. The ribs are not broke at all. Nothing is broken besides maybe a little bit of sheeting crack from the impact, as you can see up front right here, right up on the top. So that's sheeting. This side is okay, so just a little bit of sheeting crack, a little bit of CA there, and then you're good enough. As far as the rails are concerned, the carbon fiber that is all up in there really held this thing strong and true. It actually bent the landing gear, the oleo strut, then it did ruin my wood. So there that goes. And so I got the retract out, and this one is okay. Oh, this one has a little bend right there, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it. So it's bent back. So I'm gonna try to bend those things back, and then that's about it from that. All right, so pretty much fuselage is ready to go. It's 17.6 prop on there, but it's at the rate the 16/8 prop was flying the plane was pretty fast. So putting the 17.6 give it more torque, hopefully it's not gonna increase the speed, because of course it's gonna lower the RPM down slightly. But as far as the gear is concerned, I went ahead and I straightened that out already. So this one was kind of cocksided, so I straightened that out. And on this side here, I straightened that out as much as I could, but it has a little kink there, as you can see. But I think it's gonna work. And I went ahead and I just put a slight piece of carbon fiber right underneath that plate, just for better strength. It didn't break my rails. That's a good thing. My rails are still there, my original rails, and it didn't break any of the ribs. And as you can see, I gouged out that rib. That rib is pretty much almost non-existent right here. But yeah. And yeah, once this thing, this epoxy dries and I slap on that gear back on, put the gear door back on and everything, and then I'm gonna just double check, make sure that the retract still works properly and it's still coming into the wheel well properly and everything. And yeah, I think we're gonna be good. Fly again tomorrow. All right, so these were the screws I had in it during Maiden on the landing gear. So those are the screws. So it pulled out of the rail up in the front. The rear stayed, the front it ripped out. And so because it's the short screw and everything and it pulled out, it really saved the whole gear well itself, because now that the hard ply rail here now is you know, the screw ripped out, I'm going to need something where it can bite even more. So I put that carbon fiber piece down there, and I'm going to use these thicker and longer screws. Now the next time this ever happens, if it does happen again with these screws, it's probably not going to give, and then that might be the end of the wing. So it is what it is. Make sure I don't do that again. So yeah, alrighty guys. Shoo-shoo.